Hello everyone, welcome back to BL Touch channel. Today I have a short exercise for you guys. It is filling a series with autofill. Filling a series with autofill. Excel provides autofill options that automatically fill cells with data and or formatting. To populate a new cell with data that exists in a adjacent cell, use the autofill features either through the command or the fill handle. The fill handle is a small green square in the lower right corner of a selected cell or range of cells. A range is a group of adjacent cells that you select to perform operation on all of the selected cells. When you refer a range of cells, the first cell and the last cell are separated by a column. To use the fill handle, point to the lower right corner of the cell or range until the mouse pointer turns into a plus sign. Click and drag the fill handle from the cells that contain data to the cells you want to fill with that data, or have Excel automatically continue a series of numbers and text combination. That's all time period based on an established pattern. To choose an interval for your series, type the first two entries, select them, and then use the fill handle to expand the series using the pattern of the two selected cells. In this exercise, you use the autofill command and fill handle to populate cell with data. Are you ready, guys? It is over far from previous exercise. The file name is we call company file. The workbook from the previous exercise or time the text. Okay, you can select the range C4 to 84, C4 to 84. In January is the first cell. On the home tab, here is home tab, here is home tab. In the editing group, here is editing group. Click the fill button, here is fill button, click. The fill menu appear. And here we call fill option. From the menu, click right. The content of C4 January are filled into all cells. You see, January are filled into the cell. You can click undo button here. Select the range C9 to C17 and then click create button and choose down. The content of C9 is copied into the 4 additional cells. Click undo button, click C4, point to fill handle in the lower right corner here of the cell and drag it to E4 and release. The autofill option button appears next to the rank, and January truth marks are displayed. Click cell C5, point to fill handle, and then drag into C9. And release. All the number turn to 275 in column C. The autofill button appears near the lower right corner of selected rank. Click autofill option button and choose fill formatting only. All the numbers return to their previous values and are formatted with $sign and comma. You can repeat step 8, 9 for rank B5, B9. You can test it by yourself. You click cell A9, then drag the fill handle down to A15. Ryan name is repeated. Click undo button to return to the spreadsheet. Then you can press File, Sales, the workbook. After you fill cell using the fill handle, the autofill option button appear so that you can choose how the selection is filled. In Excel, the default option is to copy the original content and formatting. With autofill, you can select how the content of the original cell appears in each cell in the field rank. Note that when you type sufficient data for a cell to recognize a series, the fill handle will do the rest. For example, to record daily cell, you might want to have consecutive columns labeled with the days of the week. If you type Monday in the first cell, you can fill in the rest of the days by dragging the fill handle from the Monday cell to complete the series. Excel recognizes January as the beginning of a natural series and complete the series as far as you take the fill handle. By definition, a natural series is a formatted series of text or number that are in a normal sequence, such as months, weekdays, numbers, or time. For example, a natural series of number would be 1, 2, 3, or 100, 200, 300, or natural series of text could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or January, February, March for different natural series. Thank you for today. See you in next session. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.